guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Apex Legends season 29 split to gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, come back again, this time select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, select default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update controller driver. So for that, you have to first connect your PC and controller, and after that you have to go to the search option, search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Bluetooth and devices. From here you have to remove your controller. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC and again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add device, click on everything else and add your controller over here, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working or not. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game now and check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to enter big picture mode. So here, after you go to Steam, select your game under library section. In the above section you can see big picture mode option, so simply click on it. Now after you enter big picture mode, select your game and click on the play button. After that, click on Steam option, click on power, click on exit big picture mode. Now after that, launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.